This is going to blow your mind, too. Ever wondered what makes a volcano erupt? Let's break it down. Think of a volcano like a soda bottle. Deep inside the earth, there's a magma chamber, like the bottle full of soda. Magma is molten rock, and it's super hot. Now picture shaking that bottle. Pressure builds up inside, just like in a volcano. The gases in the magma start to expand, and the pressure gets intense. When it can't hold anymore, boom! The magma shoots up through the cracks and vents, bursting out as lava. This fiery lava can flow for miles, creating new land and sometimes causing chaos. And there you have it, the explosive secret of volcanic eruptions. The Earth sure knows how to put on a show, right? So next time you see a volcano, you'll know it's like a fizzy soda bottle ready to pop. Stay curious and keep exploring.